What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today's video I'm going to show you Zippo gadgets that are not lighters. You know, if you think of a Zippo, you probably think of one of those lighters. Well, today I'm going to show you 5 Zippo camping gadgets. I got here a Zippo hand warmer. They done those before, but non-electric ones. This one is electric. Let's see what it's all about. Pretty sure this is a pretty recent gadget that they just come out with. Let's see how it works. Press and hold power button for 5 seconds to turn it on. Okay, I had a little bit of problem. How do I turn it on? Operating temperature up to 120 Fahrenheit. Whoa, this thing gets really hot. This is nice. Oh, okay, look, there is a setting how hot you can set it. Then on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's on full charge. It's supposed to actually warm up for up to 6 hours. So now we figured it out how this works. Let's see how fast can it warm up and how well it's going to stay warm. Got back to my garage. Let's see how hot it is. 90, 88, 87. You know what? Better than nothing. It's not 120, but still about 85 degrees to 90 degrees. So it works pretty good. I like it. For the next 2 gadgets, I got here 2 Zippo fire starters. Tinder shreds, and right here Cedar fire starter. Okay, let's see if it actually works pretty good. Oh look, there's a beautiful packaging instruction over here. Looks like a magazine. Oh cool. Boom, look at that, day and a half. Looks like it's all soaked up with wax. Let's try to light it up with the Zippo striker. I put it to the test in the last Zippo gadgets. What's probably will be a good idea to open it up a little bit, so that way it'll be easier to light it up. There you go, fluff it up. Okay, let's see if it's going to light up from a spark. And boom, look at that, it's on fire. That was actually very easy. Oh my gosh, look at that. That burned so hot. Next time I'm going camping, I'm bringing this stuff with me, because sometimes in the moist conditions, especially in the morning, even if it didn't rain, firewood is wet. So with this stuff you have plenty of time to get the fire going. Look at that, it's burned, it's hot. Even in a windy situation, burns really good, as you can see. I think it's really soaked up with wax a lot. Wow, did not expect for it to light up so easily. Now let's try to put to the test Cedar fire starter. It's in a bag. Probably going to put it in a plastic bag after it, in a Ziploc bag after I'm done with this. But look at that, you just get a chunk and it stays together pretty good. Let's see if it's going to light up with a spark. This one doesn't light up as easy. There you go, and now it lights up. You know what, I like this one a little bit better because it lights up a lot easier, but this one burns pretty good as well. I guess it's your own preference. Which one would you choose? I like this one a little bit better. You can tell this one is a lot newer anyways because of their packages. This is their new packages. This one I think have been out a while for sale, so I'm pretty sure it's their better version. But anyways, for the next gadget I got right here a Zippo Flask. Let's see what this thing is all about. Boom! So you're going camping, you gotta get yourself a canteen. Honestly, when I was buying it online I thought it would be a lot bigger. But anyways, that's perfect. When you're going camping, get yourself a canteen. Put yourself orange juice in there or like whatever vitamin water, so that way when you're thirsty you can drink some of your vitamin water or orange juice, whatever you like. Let's see if it leaks or not. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, delicious vitamin water. But what I like about it, it actually fits your pocket so well you won't even tell. Like maybe front pocket on your coat or something when you go skiing. Now you have a little canteen with juice. Or even if you're going to put it in your pocket, look at it, it's not bulging out at all. For the next gadget, I got here Zippo lantern. I had no idea they done flashlights for lanterns. So another very unique for a Zippo gadget. Boom, look at that logo. Oh, pretty sure this is also waterproof. That's awesome. So if you drop it in the water, it should be fine. It comes with the charger, so there's a rechargeable batteries. Okay, right now it's charging. The light is blinking. I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn green once it's fully charged or something like that. Okay, there's a flashing light, bright, and two more lower ones, so that way you can save. Okay, let's see what it looks like in the dark. Okay, let's turn it on. Boom, that's really bright. If you look on the wall, you can see everything, and it's a lantern, so it's all around. So we can make it darker and a little bit more darker. There you go. The camera focuses on the light way too much, but it is a really good lantern. As you can see, it reflects really well. And I do love the reflectors on top right here and on the bottom, so that makes it really bright everywhere, all around 360. For this Zippo gadget, this is a little camping grill or house grill. So let's see what this thing is all about. Let's pop it open. So let's open it up and see what's inside. User manual. Some more user manuals. There you go. And there's all the attachments that we need. Then you can use one of these gas tanks or even the bigger ones. First of all, let's plug it in. There you go. I guess something like that. Look at that. You're supposed to level it so that way it burns well or something. It's level. Let's try to turn it on. There you go. Whoa, look at that flames. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's super cool. Wow. Let's try to start in this one. Boom. And this one light up as well. Wow, never thought Zippo make a camping stove like that. Pretty crazy. Then I can just turn it off. Here's another reason why this grill is awesome, because it's pretty portable. Right here there is a pin, and on this side there is a pin. And all you can do is grab it and walk with this by the lid. How cool is that? And you see it's not coming off. That's a great idea. So that would be an easy to throw it in a car, go somewhere camping or maybe a picnic, bring a little grill with you without carrying this giant thing. Probably would be cool for tailgating too. Love this thing. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.